I don't know. We're taking videos. He's gutting a game with his feet. Made him start from scratch. He had to get the game with his feet. He had to pull the blade out with his feet.
I probably could, but he might be a little disgusted by that. Oh, wait.
Yeah. He needs a sleeve. And he only got one, too.
Can you grab me?
I can't. I gotta record this video. Yeah, you gotta do what we normally have to do with the games. All of it. Which you get, which we get. You get one, yes. Well, here, I got the drawer open, but I can't hold the phone. I'm trying to keep it close. Hey, Amanda, hold this.
You got it up.
You're putting it in upside down.
Oh, okay. I apologize. My bad.
Where's the sticker?
Alright, I'll get to that in a sec. Oh, I forgot to put the cards in the package. Hold on.
I'm going to close it.
Here.
Tell me back.
Right there now. You can open the pack too.
You want me to?
No.
I can, but
Now I need the sticker. Think he can work a scanner with his feet? No. You can't do all that.
Dude. Yeah, I'm not used to that. You can go ahead and close it up now.
Is it still called ambidextrous if it's with feet?
I hit the period at the end.
Lot of it.
Codextrous.
At least I know now that I can record a pretty long video. Are you recording it too now? So what's up, Jeff? It's not gonna work with your feet. Can I get this under? No. Different sticker from this thing. Well, the problem is getting your
My ear game, my Xbox crashed again. Your computer game will hold me over.
Don't ask me. I don't computer game at all. It's dumb. Every time a new game comes out, you gotta buy a whole new computer. So I stay away from that. Yeah. You're gonna need 2 feet for that. Well, I don't use that scanner anyway because it never works for me. think we should do every game this way.
Doesn't matter how long it takes.
So, Chris, it's looking like you're going to have to set that game on the ground, that you're going to stack up, like, put...
Oh, I'm not typing in the SKU.
No. Here, slide the game by that coming soon. There, oh.
Since I'm not going to use this anymore.
You're just going to break it.
Tab down to that.
You tab to the game, highlight the game.
Highlight the game. Hit F10. I need 3 press stickers.
How are you gonna put it on the side?
God only knows. I pray for it.
I'm just laughing because
Are you going to peel the stickers off?
very carefully.
Sticker 1.
You pour some tough acting on this game. Get John Madden.
Oh, tough acting tonight.
Yes. I think we have a new one. Maybe. I don't know.
I think we have a used one as well, but it doesn't have the original box.
This is ridiculous. 7 minutes for one game.
But I did it without my hands.
No.
Yeah.
No, what?
Alright, fine. Do it like this, like I always did.
No.
Yeah.
It's all jacked.
So wrong.
But you can still read it. The sticker is on there. And now the game's completely done. I just need to file to that.
Ew. Please don't put your feet on the wall.
Don't snap the game in half. It's got to be in the right spot.
Alright.
We have enough problems getting games in the right spot as it is. We don't need monkey hands, feet guy.
There you go.
Screwing it up.
Yu-Gi-Oh!
You don't have a toe where your heel is, Chris. Now you're just pulling other games out of order now.
Right there, behind it. See,
Yu-Gi-Oh!
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 Beginning of the
Same damn game. There you go.
Ew.